Now we are going to discuss about magnesium. It is also coming from the micro minerals group. Magnesium is in human body is approximately 68%. So we can see in a human body 68% of magnesium, and it is found complex with calcium and phosphorus in the bone cells. As we know that calcium and phosphorus will maintain our teeth and bones, so it will be present in with the combination of calcium and phosphorus we can see in the bones. It is present in small concentration in all cells and is required for cellular metabolism, and it will be present for all the cells in our body. Sources: sunflower seeds, pine nuts, almonds, basil, broccoli, spinach, pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds are the sources for the magnesium. Requirement: it will divided according to the sex. So first, males 400 milligrams and females 310 milligrams will be required every day. During the pregnancy, requirement of the magnesium will increase up to 350 milligrams. Next, we have to see the functions. It is essential for all the living cells. So it is very important for all the living cells in human body. Next is magnesium along with calcium, sodium and potassium is needed for the transporting the nerve impulses. So here alone magnesium can't able to transport the nerve impulses. So we need calcium, sodium and potassium also in our diet. And next is it is essential for the proper functioning of brain and spinal cord. So if we are not taking proper magnesium in our diet, it can cause dysfunction of brain and spinal cord. So we have to take a proper magnesium in our diet for the proper work of brain and spinal cord. It is essential for the normal metabolism of calcium and potassium. For the normal metabolism of calcium and potassium also it is necessary to have magnesium rich diet. Next is absorption. Absorption occurs in upper part of the small intestine. It means only upper part of the small intestine will absorb the magnesium. It can stopped by the presence of calcium, alcohol, protein and fats. Sometimes excess amount of calcium, alcohol, protein and fats in our body can stop the absorption of magnesium. Now we have to see excretion. Excretion of magnesium is regulated by the kidneys. It means through the urine we can excrete the excess amount of magnesium. Next we have to see deficiency symptoms. So brain damage will be very common, as I said in functions also. To maintain normal function of the brain, it can be required. So if we are not having proper magnesium, so brain damage or brain dysfunction will be there, then depression will occur, unstable internal cell structure will be there and convulsion. Convulsion also known as a fits. So this all the deficiency can occur, and if we are not taking proper magnesium in our diet, as I said here also, it can be problem for the spinal cord also. In functions I said that it is required for brain and spinal cord. So you can write here also for spinal cord dysfunction. Overconsumption of magnesium can cause skeletal muscle paralysis, and extreme cases of magnesium can lead to coma, or sometimes it can cause death also. So this is about magnesium. Thank you.